Hello and welcome to the first video on how to use the Brainient Studio to create interactive ads. In this video I'm going to talk about how to actually create the campaign, how we can edit the third-party tracking tags, duplicate it, create a preview link, and also how to find the VAS tags and the embed codes. What I'm going to do is firstly go to studio.brainient.com and we can log in using an existing account, or alternatively if you haven't yet got one, please feel free to create a trial account on the left hand side here. Once logged in, we can see any previous campaigns that we've created in the past. What I'm going to do for now though is create a new campaign, which we can do using this button at the top. When we create a new campaign, we can do so using a YouTube video. We could upload a video directly, or at the bottom we can connect the studio to any existing accounts that you have that store these videos. So for example, if you have your own YouTube channel with lots of videos already attached to it, you can hook up the studio to your YouTube channel, and this way the videos are already there, you just simply have to add them. What we're going to do for now though is create a brand new one. So I'm going to insert a title, we'll use training part 1 for now, and we have three options. We can select no video if we're creating a selector ad. An ad selector allows a user to choose which video they actually want to watch. Though in this case I'm going to use a link to an existing video and we'll take our Xbox interactive demo video, which is available on YouTube. The third option allows us to upload a video file if you have a physical file that you want to upload. Underneath that we have the ability to add a click-through URL, and we can also add third-party tracking tags if you want to actually record the views and the clicks within the video. Underneath we have our suppliers, our name suppliers that we can add, and once we've filled all of that in we can select add video. So this creates the project and we straight away get taken to an overview screen which shows us the stats, the analytics as to what's going on with the video, and it also gives us the ability to edit and add interactivity. Firstly, we can see at the top there we have a few separate options. We can delete the campaign, duplicate the campaign, or edit the settings. If we click on duplicate, it simply recreates the exact campaign and adds an extra number onto the end of the title. So in this case, when we click duplicate, it's created a new campaign, training part 2, but for now we're going to delete that so that we can just work with the first one. So if we click back onto training part 1, we can then select edit, and this allows us to edit those settings that we first entered when we created the new campaign. So we can edit the title, which video it links to, the click-through URL, or any of your third-party tracking tags. It also allows us to add a companion, such as any HTML or iframe resource, if you want to do that. I'll leave all that as blank for now and save the video. And you'll notice that underneath we get given a VAS tag and also some embed code. When you actually want to use the live interactive video, these will allow you to actually push that live, the VAS tag for any ad server, or the embed code if you want to embed it into your own web page. We can also provide you with HTML5 embed code if you want this used on tablets or mobile devices. Simply contact us to find out how to enable that bit of functionality. On the right hand side, we get a preview of the video with any interactivity on top of it. In this case I've only just created the video, so there isn't actually any interactivity there yet, but if there was we'd be able to see it in this little player here. By clicking on the public preview button, we get taken to a different website which contains the interactive video we've just created. Using the public preview URL, you can simply pass this to anybody that you want to show the interactivity to, and they'd be able to see it as if it was on a live web page. Let's just go back to the editor, and the final button that we're going to be using is Edit in Studio. This takes us to the actual studio editor where we can start to add our own interactivity. As you can see on the left hand side, we have lots of different types of engagement apps. We also have the more simple click-through buttons which will do things such as liking and sharing on social networks, taking us to other web pages, but we'll show you how to use these in a little more detail on the later videos that you'll be seeing. Well, that concludes everything I wanted to show you in this particular video. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us. hello@brainient.com would be the address to use. Other than that, please view our later training videos and see actually how to add lots of interesting engagement applications, and let us know what you do. Thanks very much.